Okay, so the equation that I just found in the last video is going to equal this curve right here. And so I'm going to type in that equation. So I'm going to do f of parim equals, I'm going to type in function, and I'm going to click this second option right here, because since the equation that I found is a radical, it's a square root, it's a plus or minus square root, meaning that I will get a curve right here as well as a negative curve over here that you can't see on the graph. So I am going to have to put in a start value and an end value so I can restrict the domain between 0 and infinity. So y'all can't see because I just want the curve of the positive square root rather than the negative. So I'm going to click the second option. And so this is going to be a really long equation. So I'm going to type in the square root of parim squared, so I'm going to do a caret squared, minus 2 times parim times, oh no, wait, yeah, okay, and then the base, which is c, times c. So I get that, and then I'm going to have to put in another Yes, I'm going to put another parenthesis and then add a parenthesis over here so it all equals out. And then I'm going to do divided by 4, end parenthesis. Wait, no. Like that? Yeah. So that's all the square root, and then that, oops, that's what I meant to do. That parenthesis with that parenthesis, and voila, there we go. So that parenthesis relates to that one. That relates, oops, that parenthesis relates to the other one. That one with that one. And then, alright, sorry, cool. Alright, so I have the equation, the function of area in relationship to perimeter. So I am going to restrict the domain to be where it's just in quadrant 1. So I'm going to restrict it to 0 in the end value of infinity, which I go to the symbols and click infinity. Make sure there's no spaces, and voila. As you can see, the curve here relates to the curve that I made when I had to move C up and down. So I'm going to kind of erase what I just made so you can see that when I put the trace on P, you'll see it's pretty close to the function that I found. So if I trace it, then it's right along the line of the function of area versus perimeter. And so yeah, that's what I found.